Hi, my name is Khushi, and today I will give you a guide on how to use the bot to access the required information. All you have to do is download Telegram, search Khushi Oriflame bot, and click on Start. Once you do that, you will receive a message that will ask for your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and send. Once you've done that, you will receive an OTP on the mobile number that you have shared. Enter the OTP and click send. Once done with that, you will receive an option of all the possible queries that you would want. You may go through them and click on any one of the queries. If you click on how can I track my order, for example, you will receive further more questions and options where you can get a detailed summary. If you click on how to track my order, you will receive a video explaining how to track your order. Further down, you will also have your invoices mentioned. Once you click on one of them, you will receive a detailed summary about your order, in which you will also have a link mentioned, which will redirect you to the Holy Soul website, where you can get further details. Once you've logged in, you will be able to view the details of your order, the expected delivery date, address, etc. In case you're satisfied with the information that you have received, you may click on yes, information is clear, and you'll receive a thank you message. In case you have further more queries related to different topics, you may send a hi again and you will again receive the options. If you click on stock information, for example, you will receive all the options of the regions. You may click on the region about which you want to know the stock information, and then you will receive a message about the stock update. You may enter the product code, and the bot will tell you whether the product is available or not. If you click on the main menu, you will again be receiving the same options that you had received in the beginning. If you click on claims and returns, you will get further more questions about what is the information that you would like to know about your claims. If you want to know about your claim history, the bot will send you a message whether there is a claim history associated with your account or not.